Welcome to the Honor family.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Guys, feeling today on this lovely day. How you guys doing? For today?
Guys.
Oh, I see that forehead.
What do this guy be talking about?
That's crazy. Where you going, girl? Why you walking away?
You say a big forehead.
What, you gonna walk? Cause I said that?
Alright, turn your head around.
His head is huge.
Okay, you covering it up.
Bro. But yeah, anyway, I hope you guys having a wonderful day on this blessful day. No matter what the circumstances is, you are a intelligent person no matter what. Keep on believing in yourself. Keep on uplifting others and yourself as well. Always focus on yourself. Always bring yourself more positive and powerful vibes on the way. Just keep on believing in yourself and uplifting yourself no matter what, because you can do anything you want to do. Anything is possible. You'll wake up one day and you'll have everything that you want that stands before you.
You guys, hi. So, I'm trying to get a good angle. It's really sunny over
I know
here.
it's very sunny. That's why I kept on having to put it on the side.
Okay, I'm gonna go down the alley because that sun's like directly in my face. But anyways, I hope everybody's enjoying their day so far. Me and Zay just took a second to step outside while the girls are taking their nap. Trying to keep them on schedule. My schedules with them kind of been off lately. They've been going to sleep like 5-6 o'clock at night, taking a nap, and then turning around going back to sleep. So I just put them to sleep, and it's already like almost 2 o'clock, or if not already 2 o'clock. And yeah, so we just came out here to take a little brief walk and to just get a little cool air in our systems or whatever. So I hope everybody's doing amazing and fantastic. I hope everybody woke up smiling and having a great day. My day's going well so far.
This the clearest I ever seen the sky though. Because for the past 3 days,
I can't even look up, it's so bright.
The past 3 days, it been great. Hella great. You know, you can see the blue in the sky.
Cause it's been raining so much, and then like yesterday it was snowing, but like the snow didn't stick. It was just coming down.
Yeah.
It wasn't really sticking much. So
And yeah, like I thought it was gonna snow for a very long time. I thought it was gonna snow. The snow was gonna stay down. That's what I meant to say.
oh yeah.
I couldn't even
Y'all,
get worried about.
Oh my god, I don't know. I'm like, cause this sun, I can't even talk to y'all cause this sun's like all in my
In
face.
your face.
Sorry, you guys. But yeah, so
Try to angle it right here. Let's see. No, angle it like right there.
So, I was trying to find something to put on my face because I thought it was freezing cold out, but I came out and it's not even all that cold. It's a little chilly, but it's not like freezing. It's probably like 50 degrees, like 50 degrees right now. Because the other day it was like 30 degrees, remember?
But probably later on, yeah, it's probably gonna be freezing.
Oh yeah, tonight, for sure. Tonight is gonna be like ice cold, literally.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah. Anyways, so yeah, you guys, just chilling, enjoying a beautiful day. It's a screw right here. Somebody's gonna pop this tire. So we're just chilling. But we'll catch you guys
In the next clip.
probably when the girls wake back up, because I'm not gonna keep them to sleep so long. Like I said, it's only 2, so they really can stay asleep for at least like maybe 2 hours. So when they wake up, we'll get back to you guys. Without further ado, see you next clip. Peace. Much because I already did some.
What you want over here?
Alright. Eating my Ritz crackers and chili.
No chili.
It's really good.
What y'all doing over here?
Chili.
Eating chili?
Yeah.
It's good.
And guess what my clothes look like? I got a royal person, a skirt, school my mother said I can wear it, and I got on clothes. And my clothes.
Pretty pantses, beautiful pantses.
Alright.
What you got on?
Oh, it's pretty.
Oh, you got a princess.
She got butterflies on.
Oh my goodness.
She matches me.
And what Diabetes got? Superwoman? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, and she got hearts on her
Ah,
piercing.
yeah, I see. If y'all like this video, please give this video a like, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we upload our next video. Peace.
Be honest, family. Thank you for the watching.
Lord, would you pick me to shine? I had the key to the golden gate to shine. I wouldn't dare you to cross that line.